Hello, good evening, everybody. We're going to get victory news as far as affairs goes with the family. We must be at peace. Our number card is 1414 and it's about possibilities. It's about building strong foundations that create stability and welcomes in other possibilities. All possibilities exist and are amplified when gratitude is felt for the foundations that you have in place. You must be grateful for all that is and all that is going to be. You must trust in the possibilities of what you desire or something even greater. The abundant universe is going to provide for you. You're going to find success, and that is because you've done what you can in situations and walked away from those situations you can do nothing more about. You've got the upper hand of your life now, and it's time now for you to decide clearly what you want. They say the answer you're seeking is love, and you are going to get very important news coming your way soon. They say that you are being divinely guided away from deception and delays, and you're on the right path now. You will be receiving or giving someone else a very precious gift. You see the big picture now, and they say you can successfully manifest your abundance that is near already. Higher levels of optimism are needed as new abundant beginnings are on the horizon. Brighter days always come after the darkest of nights. Everything is in perfect order as you enter into your next chapter of your journey and connect to the abundance that is near you. They say you must make your dreams real, but beware of greed and have patience. They say you have had money losses, but you must put that behind you. There's nothing more that can be done. And trust the magic, expect the unexpected. Your loved ones say you must magnify your intentions, choose a specific goal to work towards. Your energy is spread out among too many ideas. Please bring your focus back to the key intention and let your angels help you. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.